Every time you bite your phone case, a bunny somewhere suffers. Ben is the king of the road. With a car like that, you bet. But there's always some rude bunny on a scooter. Oh, look who it is. Hey, rich boy, I bet you can't catch the Easter bunny. Do you have any idea who you're talking to?
Oh.
I'm the Lion King of the concrete jungle. Grrr! Maybe you are a lion, but my carrot is bigger than your chocolate. Take the filling out of Oreos and crush the cookies. Add 1 3/4 ounces of butter to the crumbs. Sanitize a phone case and wrap it in the Oreo mixture. Add food coloring to the cookie filling and shape a carrot. Attach it to the phone case using edible glue. Make carrot greens out of fondant. Add texture on the carrot with a sharp modeling tool. Add fondant grass. With this carrot, our Easter bunny is invincible! Can you keep up? Woohoo! The bunny is pulling ahead. It's all about the carrot. Shh, she's sleeping. Today is our anniversary. I'll plan a Love Is treasure hunt for her. Follow the bubblegum path and the main surprise will be waiting for you at the end. Add food coloring to bubblegum. Melt and thoroughly mix to get an even consistency. You'll need 3 different colors of gums. Sanitize the silicone phone case and wrap it in the blue mass. Make a heart out of red gum. 1 big one and 3 smaller ones. Make the words Love Is out of the yellow gum and attach them to the case. The surprise is ready! It's quick, creative, and smells nice. And most importantly, it's made with love. Good morning! Oh, what does that mean? Very interesting. May love show me the way. I love gum and surprises. Here's another one on the couch. And the main surprise is hiding behind it. Happy anniversary, sweetheart. This is your gift. And it comes with the most delicious phone case. How cute!
Wow.
This Love Is case is as sweet as our relationship. You are so romantic. Love is making nice surprises and blowing big bubbles. Want some dessert?
Yeah.
Be right back. Here, the most delicious and expensive ice cream ever. Eat it, you'll like it. There's a surprise inside. Dampen a wafer with water and wrap it into a cone. Let it dry. Sanitize an AirPods case and put it inside the cone. Cover the remaining space with white chocolate glaze. Let it harden. Melt Fruittella candy in a microwave. Knead it to shape a long strip. Wrap it into a spiral so it looks like the top of an ice cream. Decorate with colorful sprinkles. Whoa! A sweet headphone case! This is the most unusual ice cream filling ever! Thanks! I love AirPods flavored ice cream! The Easter Bunny has a special phone case. It's from a limited rabbit collection. Roll out fondant into a thin layer and wrap a sanitized phone case in it. Carefully bend the edges to fit the shape of the case. Cut out a camera hole. Melt marshmallows in a microwave. Add shredded coconut. And shape a bunny butt with a tail. Add paws and ears. Coat the bunny with chocolate. And sprinkle with shredded coconut. Add dots on the paws with pink food coloring. Yes, honey, I'm all good. Why am I not calling? I'm working. Of course you can tell me how you spent the last hour. I'm not doing anything. This bunny snack is very appropriate here. Sweet! What? Yes, sweetie. Come on, tell me everything. And meanwhile, I'll snack on my phone case. Chatting on the phone is very sweet now. The moment you start a healthy diet, you start seeing unhealthy food everywhere. It's impossible to lose weight when you are surrounded by so much sugar. What's that? Sean's phone, but Oreo flavored? Or am I hallucinating again? Shape dark fondant into a pop socket. Attach an Oreo to the pop socket using edible glue. Cut a piece out of the cookie box and put it into a sanitized phone case. Attach the sweet pop socket to the case. It can't be, unless I'll just take a look. Is this a real Oreo? Or no? It's so tempting. No, I can't eat someone else's case. I'll just have one piece. Rosie, what's wrong with you? That's my pop socket. Whoops, that was awkward. It's a rough morning at our college. Someone obviously had a fun night. How can you survive till the end of the class? I want to be dreaming, not studying. Somebody turn off the professor, please. But Christy has a survival life hack. It's Starbucks coffee in a phone case. Cut a paper cup in half. Glue one half to a sanitized phone case. Pour coffee into a Ziploc bag. Put in a straw and put a rubber band around the bag. Make a hole for the straw in half of a lid. Put the lid onto the cup. And attach a Starbucks label. The coffee magic worked! Yay! Ask me! I know the answers to all the questions. I can even take an exam if you want. What's wrong with Christy? Where did all this energy come from? Christy is ready to participate all class long. She just needs a supply of coffee in her phone case. Sean is always crunching on something. It's either himself or pens. Ew, that's disgusting. Hey. Stop doing that with your teeth, Sean. Since regular means aren't helping, we'll have to distract him with something tasty. Here, Sean, take this present. It's the softest, sweetest jelly case. Cover a sanitized phone case with plastic wrap. Slice an orange and put the slices and mint leaves inside the case. Leave the camera hole open. Dissolve gelatin in water and melt it in a microwave. Cover the oranges with gelatin and let it harden. Make a camera hole in the ready jelly. Fasten the jelly case to the outside of the silicone case using edible glue. Sean put puts it right into his mouth, just like he's used to. But the phone tastes surprisingly nice. I love jelly. Thanks, Christy. Now you don't need to eat your pencils. Hi, man. You're wearing glasses today? They really suit you. And I have a new phone. This is a rare rainbow model, and it's extra strong. Add rainbow shades of food coloring to white chocolate. Sanitize a phone case and fill it with stripes in order of the colors of the rainbow. Let it harden. Pour chocolate with black food coloring on top. Let the screen harden. Take the chocolate phone out of the case. Draw 3 cameras just like on the iPhone 11. Sean can't see well without his glasses. Did you actually just put a hot mug onto your new iPhone? Couldn't you find a cheaper coaster? There you go! The phone melted! That's awful! Relax. This is just a prank. It's a phone-shaped rainbow chocolate bar. Try it. You'll love my delicious gadget. Did you like our pranks with edible phone cases? Then comment below which phone case you'd prank your friends with. A funny phone case with a bunny, orange jelly, or a rainbow iPhone? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new funny pranks from Troom.